a visual merchandiser at Rogers. Welcome to our live stream. This is the first day of summer this year, so this is the perfect time for me to talk about putting together a beautiful Patriotic table for you and just showcasing some of our wonderful product we have here at Rogers. So I have a beautiful teak table, and what I'm trying to do on top of this, just very neutral color, is add a lot of bright pops of red and blue. So one of the first things that I love to use is our party table fringe. It is 10 feet long. This is from, where is this from? Tops Malibu. It's actually the same company where we have a lot of our sparklers that we have in our gallery building. So it's 10 feet and I have it taped underneath my table, and it has this really fun red, white, and blue fringe. It's a very easy way to decorate your home or even your table without having to do a whole lot. If you can tell on the bottom of my table, there's a big blue strip and then the fringe. The great thing about this is that you can reverse it, flip it over, and there's a bright red strip with the fringe. So highly recommend the table fringe, very easy to put anywhere. Also, one idea that I'm not showcasing right now, but we do have it on display in our gallery section, is from My Mind's Eye party fans. It comes with about 6 party fans that you can hang or even mount to a wall. Very pretty. Comes in a variety of different sizes, different colorations, different patterns. This is a really easy and impactful way to decorate your home or your party. Perfect for the summer, perfect for the 4th of July. So now that we've started with the table fringe, I'm just going to keep moving back and forth from my main table to the sides. I'm going to start with my placemats. Because I have that fringe, I'm not going to use a tablecloth. I'm going to try to keep it as casual as possible. So what I have here is paper placemats from Hester & Cook. This is super cool for summer. I really love these. Watermelons. Perfect addition to any summer picnic. So I'm going to put these out on my table. I have a table of 6 right here. So I'm going to put my plates directly on top of it. And also so they don't blow away. So the plate that I'm using is actually a blue version of the pattern I used for my spring live. It is a lined blue pattern with this really beautiful pop of blue. I just think this pattern is one of my favorites, which is why I find myself using this time and time again. But now we have a blue version. Also comes with some bowls. And because I'm always known for being a mix and matchy type of person, I'm using melamine, which plastic, great for outdoor use, great for kids. You don't have to worry about breaking this. This is dishwasher safe. This has a fun pop of that red with the gingham pattern. Again, perfect with my watermelon if I want to kind of have a little bit of a picnic feel. So I'm going to just add it directly onto my blue plates. What I love about kind of the picnic theme, even though you're sitting at the table, you're not on the ground or anything like that, or at a picnic table. What I love it is just a little bit nostalgic, and I think what's perfect for 4th of July and at least the summertime, there's a lot of nostalgia of things that you love to do during this warm weather that we have. Now I have bowls that have the same pattern as my plates. Nice to have options of plates for your guests, depending on what you're eating, of course. Especially with kids, no one likes things touching. But this is really perfect to just kind of have a variety of dishware for your meal. Another great thing that I love, especially with our melamine, we also have the melamine glassware. This is a really beautiful blue. This is from a company called Juliska. We also carry Juliska. We tend to have servingware during the holiday time around Christmas. So we also have a huge variety of glassware in our outdoor living section. Beautiful glassware there, and we have a few bowls up there too in our outdoor living section from Tablescape that are great for salads, fruit salad, regular salad, kind of big servingware, perfect for parties. So I have that down. Typically I do like to mix and match a variety of glassware as well, but I wanted to keep this really simple. Usually I like to have at least 2 to possibly 3 versions, so you can have a glass for water and possibly a specialty drink, whether it's alcoholic or non-alcoholic. But today I'm just going to try to keep it really simple. You want to just have a really easy time at your gathering. So another thing I really want to push is our paper goods, which we have a beautiful selection on our everyday side, but especially for the 4th of July, I just pulled the gingham because of course we're going gingham today and picnic feel. So I'm just gonna kind of put it underneath my salad plate. That way it doesn't fly away. You never know what to expect with the wind. If you have silverware, of course, you can put your silverware on top of it. And I'm just nestling it under my salad plate on the left side. Kind of to balance having my glass on the right, balancing it on the left. And I also love using paper goods too, especially like with placemats or even a runner or napkins, because it's just easy cleanup. So you don't have to be spending so much time over your dishwasher or the sink, of course. Another thing that we have too, this is from Kaspari, one of our paper good brands that we have to continue with our paper goods. Poppers. Poppers are such a fun idea to have at any of your gatherings, whether it's just your family or if you have friends over. Just kind of a fun little game. You never know what's inside. A little bit of a conversation starter too. So I'm just going to put one on every plate. We have a blue stripe and a red stripe. It has the American flag and a beautiful blue hydrangea. Perfect for summer. And it looks so cute on my table here with all my red and blue pops. So I'm just doing every other one. Every other one has a blue or a red. That way no two patterns are right next to each other. Okay, so now we have all of our place settings are down. Everybody is ready to sit down. So now I want to add some plants. This is a really simple thing to do with just a easy terracotta pot. We have our beautiful white Angelonia in both of the 2 big pots. Terracotta is really easy to just reuse constantly. You can plant the plants in the ground and reuse the pots for another time. We have a very wide variety of terracotta pots here. This is just our very traditional orange, kind of that real deep color, which I think is just so cute for summer. Perfect for these plants. And then I'm also adding a beautiful red begonia. I'm just going to pop it right in front of on top of my umbrella hole because I'm not putting an umbrella up today. But the nice thing about using an outdoor table outside to enjoy the beautiful weather, enjoy the sunshine, enjoy the surroundings around you, you can always put an umbrella up, and that could also be an additional pop of color. So in case you're having your event that kind of tends to go into the evening, we have solar lanterns, has that little solar pad right there for the sun to hit, and then it has the light underneath. Right down here, what's really great about these jars, they have a cute rope handle. You can put sand in there, you can put little pictures or something if you wanted to, if it's like an occasion on someone's graduation or birthday. You can always put shell inside or beading, or you can just leave it completely empty. So this isn't going to give off a huge amount of light, so it's not, your whole area is not going to get completely lit, but it definitely gives you a fun sense of ambiance, kind of just a little light while you guys are still having a great time at your table. So I'm just kind of adding a few of them here and there. It's also a safer version of having candles. I know battery operated candles are extremely popular. They're great, especially if you have dogs or kids around or long hair. Perfect to avoid catastrophe. But solar lights are also a really fun alternative too, and you can always hang them in trees or anything like that. Really a fun idea. So once your table is set and your party is starting to take off, as it gets closer to the evening time, what's really fun to use too are sparklers. I have some here. Marissa will show these a little bit closer so you can see them. We have a variety of them. We have sparklers all year round from numbers and letters. Great for anniversaries, parties, birthdays, dates. So we do have a number 4 for the 4th. You can also spell out July. But we also have a large and a small star. Really, really fun. It does take about 50 seconds to light it up. Highly recommend one of these kind of lighters just to kind of keep it away from you. It does take about 50 seconds to light up, and it does start sparking up. Don't recommend having your hair or little children. I sometimes like to just put it in a container of sand. You can put it maybe on top of a cake. You can do that too. Just be careful of your hands and your hair and eyebrows. We also have a very cool tube that has about 10 of these long sticks. It looks like incense, but it's actually a sparkler as well. So it comes in a pack of 10. So great to pass one around to everybody. If you really wanted to add a little bit more of the 4th to your table, we have these cutie pie little flags available, and you can just stick them in your plants. You can put them in a jar. Everybody can take one home if they want to. You can make it like a little party favor. Really cute and easy way to kind of bring the Americana to your table without having to do a whole lot. And then we also have a big one that these are $4.99, these are $2.99. We have a great selection of them. You can put them in your yard, you can attach them to anything, you can put them on your bikes if you want to ride around on your bikes. So these are really fun and easy ways to kind of bring the 4th to your home and have a great time for this summer, also as well as like our table trim again and our party fans. Just very easy, simple ways to kind of bring that decor to your home and make it really fun and festive. Any questions, Marissa? All right, great. Well, thank you so much for joining me. Please be sure to join Sarah next Thursday for our live stream. She's going to talk about our hummingbird plant of the week. Really exciting, perfect for our hummingbird summer that we are showcasing all of our beautiful hummingbird decor and our plants here at Rogers. Everything you see here is available at the store, and you can also go to our online boutique at rogersgardens.com. If you've missed watching any of this live, be sure to watch from the beginning on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. And please be sure to follow us on all of our social media platforms. Thank you again for joining me, and happy 4th of July, and enjoy your summer.